Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to restart your phone without using the power button. If your power button is not working or you just want an easier way to restart your phone, don't worry, this method will help you. First, open the settings on your phone. Now, search for Accessibility. Next, tap on Accessibility menu. Here, turn on the Accessibility menu shortcut and then tap on Allow. Now, as you can see, a new icon has appeared on your screen at the bottom right corner. Tap on that icon and you'll see several options. From here, if you swipe up, your phone will power off, and if you swipe down, your phone will restart. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to restart your phone without using the power button. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.